What is Madam up to? Hey! $3. What is Madam trying to do? She wants to frame me up. I know this woman. She does not like me at all at all. I will transfer the framing to her brother. Two of us, we can play the game.
Sarah. Sarah!
Hey! Hey, Oga. Sorry.
So you now sleep in the parlor?
Oga. As I was cleaning this place, I slept off.
You were cleaning and then you slept off.
Okay, you are ready.
That's not even bringing. Where is the money that I kept on my table in my room?
It's in your table, in the room.
The money?
Yes.
Yes, honey.
Have you find the money?
No. I'm asking Sarah now.
Sarah, where is
the money I kept on my table.
It's on the table in August's room.
Sarah, where is the money?
On the table in August's room.
You know your guy is giving you soft hand in this house. Where is the money?
Madam.
Sarah, I'm just coming from my room now. And the money I kept on the table is not on the table. And I'm asking you and you're telling me it's on the table. Am I blind?
No.
Sarah, where is the money? So you cannot talk again.
Madam, let's call Caleb. Let's ask
Caleb.
Caleb.
Where is the money? Yeah, say let's call Caleb.
Sarah, let us ask Caleb. Are you talking about my wife's brother?
Yes, let's ask him. Maybe he mistakenly see the money somewhere and then transferred it.
I should ask Caleb for my money.
Where is the money?
Does Caleb enter my room?
Where is the money?
The money is supposed to be on the table in August's room. Madam.
Where is the money?
Brother Caleb!
I don't understand.
Sarah, you are calling Caleb. You are the one that have access to everywhere in this house. So you are calling Caleb. Does Caleb have access to my room?
Yes, brother, he goes there sometimes.
Sarah, where is the money?
Brother Caleb!
You are the one tidying up this house.
Madam, the money is supposed to...
Oh! Where is the money?
No, don't touch her.
Madam.
Don't hit her, don't hit her.
Honey, we need
don't
to
leave
use
her.
strong
Don't
hands
hit her.
on this
Don't hit
one.
her. Sarah, I am asking you, where is my money?
Okay, it's supposed to be on the table in your room, but... Caleb! Brother Caleb!
You are calling Caleb. Sarah, you are the housekeeper of this house. So you are supposed to know where everything is in this house. Where is my money?
Where is the money?
Madam, I did not see the money.
Where is the money? You are supposed to be with this money. Where is the money?
Madam, I did not see the money. That's why I
Caleb!
said we should call Brother Caleb and ask him.
You did not see the money.
Caleb!
Mama.
Are you a stranger in this house?
Hello.
Madam, I'm a stranger. I don't know.
Yes, Caleb, come please.
Mrs. What is going on?
I am looking for my money in this house.
Yes, okay.
And I have asked Sarah and she said I should ask you. So I want to understand what is going on.
Sarah, you say you should ask me.
Yes.
What is the meaning of that?
Whether you saw the money somewhere
Whether
in August's room on the table.
Is that why you say they should ask me?
Yes.
I've been hearing you calling my name all this way. Is it because of the money and you have been mentioning my name?
Yes.
So
Sarah, where is
the money?
Brother Caleb, where is the money?
In my house. My money is missing in my house. So are you saying
the money?
Go that side.
Brother Caleb, where is the money now? I'm seeing star. Oh.
You will see
Where is the money?
You will see more.
People should stop between her. Come this side.
Oh God, very soon. Where is the money?
She's with this money.
Caleb, did you see any money in my room on the table?
Honey, my brother cannot see your money. It's this woman.
Thank you.
She is with this money.
Okay,
Let's search her.
Where is the money?
She's with this money.
Brother Caleb, where is the money?
Where did you keep
I
the
will
money?
give you. Where is
my brother.
where is the money?
Where did you keep the money?
Which one is? In-law, I'm just.
Where is the money?
Madam, I don't see any money. Oh.
Do you want me to
Sarah!
stay in this house?
Okay.
Why are you saying it's Caleb that is with the money? Did you see him take any money from my room?
He might see the money somewhere now.
He might see the money.
I might see the money.
There is no need of.
What nonsense?
Caleb.
If you call my name again now,
Honey, let's search her.
all in-law.
Honey, let's search
Okay,
her.
Caleb, hold on.
Let's search her.
Search her.
Let my wife search you.
Madam, search me. There's no money here.
Search her very well. Even this.
There's no money inside. You can.
Where did you keep the money?
What is going on here?
Ask
Where
me.
is my money?
Where is Oga's money, Caleb?
I will slap you. If you call my brother's name again, I will slap you. Where did you keep the money?
Madam,
So you don't know your work again in this house, and you are now stealing.
let's search Caleb's bag.
I don't understand.
Let us do what?
What is the meaning of that? To search my bag.
Let us search Caleb's bags.
In-law, imagine.
Oga, me, I don't trust Caleb. Oh.
Too much of food. Too much of food.
So you mean Caleb went to my room, took my money, and it's in his bag?
Okay, me, I don't know how the money. I don't know, but let's just search
Honey, you are not
his bag.
You are not acting like a man here now.
He has been rushing to go out.
You are
since.
not acting like a man.
Let's search his bag.
Slap this woman now. Slap her. Let
So
her
that
know where the money is.
yes, you will say the truth.
Sarah, where is my money?
Okay, I've been with you for 5 years now. Have I ever stolen from you?
Where is my money, Sarah?
Where did you keep the
Caleb,
money?
stop! Where did you keep the
If
money?
you call my name again, I will give you my own.
Hey,
What's the meaning of that?
okay, let's search his bag now. Let's search his
Are you
bag.
stupid?
That's my bag.
Let us search his bag.
Yes, now let's just search.
Have you gone nuts?
Okay,
Madam,
okay. You know what? You know what happened here? I will search these bags. There are 2 bags here. I will search these bags.
Honey, I don't understand.
No, Oni,
In-law, you want to search my bag?
let us get to the root of this issue.
This nobody.
Yes.
Since she's saying it's in the bag, there are 2 bags here. I will search the bag. Let us be sure that there's no money in the bags.
So a common man can say,
Nobody.
I don't believe her. I don't. But let's just take caution, okay, and resolve this thing amicably.
In-law,
Who has this bag?
That's Madam's bag.
where will you search my bag?
Wait, hold on, just hold on.
Madam,
Honey, just hold on.
Madam,
Let us vindicate this.
Madam, be coming down
Why your
now.
wife?
Just hold on. Just hold on.
because of this nobody. This is what you have.
Sarah, you must leave this house.
Okay, madam.
Sarah,
Belong to
Okay,
This I will finish her.
there is no money in
After
this
I
bag.
will show her.
and let's search Caleb's bag. He has been rushing to go out since. I don't trust Caleb. Okay, you don't know this guy. You don't know him. Okay, let's search his bag.
It's alright. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I will search Caleb's bag. But if I don't see any money in this bag, Sarah,
You will hear it from me.
Sarah, it's okay.
You will hear it from me.
Caleb, you are a suspect. You don't know.
Don't worry. You will hear it from me.
I've not seen
Where
any
did you
money.
keep the money?
Madam, I didn't see any money.
So you are
You're
still
not
lying.
accusing me of money.
You are still lying.
In my sister's house.
It's possible you might have seen the money somewhere now. You were rushing to go out. Madam, your brother was rushing to go out today.
Up!
We shall see.
Shut up!
Huh?
Hey! Caleb! Hey! Okay, this is not your money.
Sister, tap me.
This is my money. Caleb!
Okay, you see, I told you.
Caleb! Why is my money in your bag?
I don't know how that money got into my
What?
In-law, calm down first. In-law,
Caleb!
calm down. This your slap.
So I welcomed you to my home and I feed you, and how you can repay me is to steal my money?
Okay, it's a thief, that's why. You cannot
I
change.
don't know how this money got into my
Caleb, you
bag.
are a disgrace.
I don't know how this money got into my bag.
Caleb, you are a disgrace. You disgrace your sister. Caleb.
Sister, I don't know anything about this money. How did money?
Then how did this money enter your bag?
I don't know. What is this?
And wait, I think I saw something else.
You are the devil.
No, I'm not the devil. It's
You are
Caleb.
the devil here.
Caleb is the devil. It's the devil that stole the money.
No, this is your...
Caleb!
Wait, honey.
Hey! Okay.
Are these not my landed documents?
Okay, it is. Caleb, I'm disappointed at you.
Caleb, you are stealing my landed document. You want to sell my properties?
How did this thing get into my... I'm confused. Oh, in-law, I'm confused.
Caleb, you
What
have to
is
sell
going on
that
here
property.
now? Eh? Somebody
Caleb.
is dreaming.
So
is this?
your brother is a thief.
He's a thief, oh, okay, you don't know him, oh.
In-law, wait, in-law, I don't know anything about all this. These two things now. Is this it? somebody should wake me up. Am I dreaming? What is this now? I don't know how this thing got. I don't know what is that.
When did you start stealing?
I don't know.
When did you start stealing?
In-law.
So I welcomed you into my home.
He has been stealing things.
And then what you do,
madam, you don't know.
what you do is to steal from me?
No, I don't know anything about this man.
Is to steal from me?
Yes, she might try to frame me up. Eh? What is this now?
I'm very sure.
Sarah, if you're the one that put this money inside my bag.
So what of the landed document? Did she also put it?
Who put all these things? Ask her, maybe she's the one that put all these things.
Okay, let me tell you something.
What do you want to say?
Okay, can I talk?
Shut up.
Only
Okay, can I talk?
Yes, you can talk.
Okay, as I was lying down here, I was not sleeping, no. I was meditating. I was just meditating like this. Let me see the future. Let me see how the future is going to be. Okay, even for you too. You know I'm a seer. As I was lying down, and I heard Madam's footstep, so I decided to open my side eye, just 90-degree angle like this. I saw her with this money. Okay, can I talk?
You saw my wife with this money.
Okay, can I continue?
Please go ahead.
Permission.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes. So she walked in like this. She came here. She did not know that my 90-degree eye was seeing her movement. She opened my apron pocket and inserted the money inside. Immediately she ran back. Madam, why did you even do it? I don't know why she did it too.
Honey, is this true?
So I decided to put it in her brother's bag.
Oh, you are the one? Oh.
I've been living with you in this house. I hate you.
Madam, I know.
So first of all, my money, you took it and you tried to frame the housemaid. And then your brother took my landed documents and trying to sell my properties. So this family is trying to ruin me.
Yes, okay. That is what they want to do.
How?
Today, you will leave my house.
You have not gotten to that now. I welcome you in my home. You remember I'm the one that present my sister to you. In-law.
Is that why you come and steal from him? Because he came here?
My friend, will you shut up your mouth here?
If I hear your voice again, get up, take your bag, and get out.
Get out.
Get out. You are a disgrace. Get out.
You are a disgrace.
After all I've done for you, this is how you pay me back. Get out.
After all
Get
that
out.
I've done for you.
Close this door.
This.
And for you, my wife, you joined your brother to plan to ruin me after all I've done for your family. Follow him.
Hey, madam.
The rest of your things will be arranged and sent to your home. Sent to your mother's house.
Chai, madam.
Follow him. Leave. I can't believe I married a wicked and an evil woman as a wife.
Madam, why are you wicked?
I cannot believe it. Leave.
Hey, madam, why are you evil now? See, they are pushing you. Hey.
What is all this?
Oga, calm down, yeah?
All this.
Oga, sorry, yeah? My fine Oga. Sorry, it's only me and you now that is in this house. I'm the only good person in this house.
So, you were sleeping and they put money in your pocket. And I came here asking for my money and you just kept me quiet.
Oga,
saying you don't know who took the money.
I wanted them to display their real character so that you can know the kind of people they are.
Thank you very much, Sarah. Thank you.
Okay, you are always welcome.
You are a great me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you for always looking out for me.
Yes, Oga, I will always look out for you. Yes, now. You are my Oga, my fine Oga.
Thank you. It's okay. I know what to do.
Okay,
I know what to do. No.
Now that there's nobody, wife is not there again.
What do you mean?
Okay, I can replace you. I can do everything. You know I can cook.
What are you saying? What more are you saying? Will you go inside and go and cook and go and prepare food for me?
Okay, sorry, sir.
I know what to do. No, I'll go and see my lawyer. They must pay for every dime I've spent on that family.